Have you ever wondered how things work in our everyday lives? From the simplest tasks to the most complex mechanisms, the world around us is governed by fascinating scientific principles. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind everyday life and explore the inner workings of some common phenomena. So, let's begin. Motion is an integral part of our daily lives. Whether it's a car zooming down the road or a ball rolling across the ground, everything moves according to the laws of physics. One fundamental concept that governs motion is Newton's laws of motion. These laws describe how forces act on objects to accelerate or decelerate them. Understanding these principles helps us comprehend the behavior of objects in motion. Let's take a look at an example. When you ride a bicycle, the force you exert on the pedals propels the bike forward. This is an application of Newton's third law of motion, which states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. As you push the pedals, the bike exerts an equal and opposite force on you, allowing you to move forward. Electricity powers almost everything we use, from light bulbs to smartphones. But how does it all work? At the heart of electricity lies the movement of electrons. When electrons flow through conductive materials, such as copper wires, they create an electric current. This flow of electrons enables the functioning of electrical devices. Imagine you turn on a light switch. Behind the scenes, a circuit is completed, allowing the flow of electrons from the power source to the light bulb. As the electrons pass through the filament of the bulb, they encounter resistance, which produces heat and light. This phenomenon is known as electrical resistance, a crucial concept in understanding how electrical circuits work. Cooking is both an art and a science. It involves a series of chemical reactions that transform ingredients into delicious meals. One such reaction is the Maillard reaction. This reaction occurs when proteins and sugars in food are heated, resulting in browning and the development of complex flavors. Next time you're searing a steak or baking a batch of cookies, remember that the Maillard reaction is responsible for that delightful crust and aroma. The combination of heat and chemical reactions gives food its delicious taste and texture. Breathing is essential for our survival, but have you ever wondered how it works? Our respiratory system, comprised of the lungs, diaphragm, and other structures, facilitates the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. This process is known as respiration. When we inhale, our diaphragm contracts, causing the lungs to expand. This expansion creates a pressure difference that draws air into our lungs. The oxygen from the inhaled air is then transported to our cells, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, is expelled when we exhale. This intricate process ensures our body receives the oxygen it needs for energy production. From the mechanics of motion to the chemistry of cooking, and the biology of breathing, the science behind everyday life is an incredible tapestry that connects various scientific disciplines. By understanding these scientific principles,